I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain. But people don't know it's hard sometimes. And every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started this road. I packed my bags and left my home. I thought that this would be easy, but life has a way of teaching. And
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a crochet hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. I have my first braid, pre-stretched braiding hair. I have 6 packs of hair. I'll be using only 2 packs. The color of the hair is 1B3327. I'll go ahead and separate the hair in small pieces. I'll place the braid around the string and make a knot.
I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. And every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started the climb. It's crazy how the time flies by. One road seemed much shorter, I took the one much longer. And yes,
I'll be using the flexi rod to curl the hair. I make a bend at the top, then I'll wrap the hair as tightly as I can, and this all depends on your desired curl. When I'm finished wrapping the hair, I'll make a bend at the bottom to hold the hair in place.
I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. Every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. Keep your eyes on the prize, and there in the morning it will be your time. Oh, keep your head to the sky, and then one of these mornings you'll shine. I gotta take the long road.
I'll immerse the hair in hot water and I'll leave it in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be making sure all of the hair is completely covered.
Every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I gotta keep my eyes on the prize.
I am removing the hair from the flexi rods.
I gotta keep my head to the sky, and one of these mornings you'll shine. I gotta keep my eyes on the prize, and in the morning it'll be your time. Keep your head to the sky, and one of these mornings you'll shine. Everybody's watching. They say that we won't win, yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time I saw you. So I'm ready for this, yeah. Put it in the papers, our love is going big, yeah. Guess we're underrated. The haters keep on hating, but we're ready for this. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game, yeah. different reasons, but winning every season.
These are my gorgeous crochet braids, guys.
Put it on the TV. I'm betting we won't
This is my braiding pattern, nothing too dramatic. First, I'll use the wild rose oil to moisturize my scalp.
No, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game.
I am separating the braids to begin my crochet braid. I'll begin crocheting from the nape of my head, guys, and this is the normal crochet method where I push the latch hook through the braid, pull the hair through, knot the hair once or twice.
Everyone we know, strangers rooting for us, family won't support us. It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit them one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done. No. No, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. Let them say what they want, the stakes are high. This is our World Series game. I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive, 'cause we're about to win. My heart's been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose. We hit the ball and the crowd goes wild for me and wild for you. Win, baby, we'll win. I love to win. Playing this game to win. And we're gonna win. Oh. Let me tell you something. I wake up every morning and I'm only thinking of you. I can hear a lot of people saying we ain't meant to be together. Funny how they following the things that we be doing, all the places we be going, and the things that we keep posting. Yes, I'm ready for the challenge that the haters think they're throwing. So get ready for the win, 'cause baby, we can keep this going. Baby, we can keep this rolling. Baby, can't you see I'm chilling? You get better in the finer things. And someone never get a dream. It's making people crazy, so they
I'll be doing the invisible crochet method. I push the latch through the braid, pull the braid through, then I'll knot one side of the braid, and the knot will fall in the middle of both pieces of braids.
Girl, this is ours. You're my baby. Oh, I will sing. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up. I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. And every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. 'Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started this road. I packed my bags and left my home.
I am all glammed up, guys. Now I'm back to trim the hair. First, I'll spray the hair with water, run my fingers through the curls to separate the curls. Then I'll take my scissors and shape the hair.
Through mountains high, valleys low, I'm finishing my journey on the long road. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up. I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. And every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. 'Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started the climb. It's crazy how the time flies by. One road seemed much shorter, I took the one much longer.
This is the end of the transformation process, guys, from pre-stretched braiding hair to curly crochet braids. I'll leave the link to the pre-stretched braiding hair in the description down below, guys. You can go to Amazon and check my first braid out and get this gorgeous pre-stretched braiding hair. Comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think of this transformation process. I thank you guys for watching, and as always, remember, guys, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of this good stuff. Until next time, walk good.
Prize on the prize, and in the morning it will be your time. Oh, keep your head to the sky, and then one of these mornings you'll shine, you'll shine, you'll shine. I gotta take the long road this time.